I stopped there. Look how I can take this image and I can put myself in it, and I can put my dog in it, and then I can put my fake hot AI girlfriend in it. And I'm doing this all on my local computer without having to pay for any subscriptions as much as I want. And it's so easy to do. Let me show you how. Hell. For this project, we're going to be using the Qwen 32511, which can be found over here at the getgoingfast.pro site. Simply all we got to do is just download it, install it into our ComfyUI folder, and then we're getting ready to go. Once that's loaded, then all we got to do is pop over here to ComfyUI, and we load the workflow. All of the models will actually already be fitted into the place, and then we go ahead and we find our background. So we start with the background here, the original. All right, notice up here is very simple. All I'm doing is I'm going to use image 1 and image 2. So down here in image 2, I'm going to put another image. I'm going to put that handsome devil right there. Now, the real key to all of this is the prompting. All right. It really comes into how well you prompt. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to say something like this. Put the man with the sunglasses into this photograph of a bedroom. Recreate the image so the man is a natural part of the image. But here's a trick here. I'm going to show you what you're going to end up with when you do that. You're going to end up with something like that. Look at, he's in there. That's really great. It did it, but it didn't actually put him in the image. So prompting is so very key. Let's try this way instead. Put the man with the sunglasses into the photograph of a bedroom. Recreate the image so the man is a natural part of the image, sitting on the chair in the back of the image. Match lighting and tone. So notice I had to get a bit more aggressive, all right? But I told it exactly what I want, and let's go see what it pops out. And there you have it, right? Where was it? There it is, right there, okay? Guy sitting in the chair. That's good. That's exactly what I wanted. Now, let's say I want to throw that dog into there. All I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this image here. I'm going to drag it over to here. Boop. And now it becomes my new intro one over here. And then I pop down here and I put the dog. There we go. Now notice my prompting doesn't have to be quite so aggressive. This one, just put this dog sitting at the feet of the man in the chair, right? We got the initial image. Now it's not so hard. Let's go see. Oh, and there we go. There is the dog sitting at the feet of the man. Now, if we want to add another part, you guessed her, all we got to do, drag that bad boy right back into there, and then we pick the person that we want, else we want. And there we go. And once again, the prompting is now pretty simple. Put this woman into the image with the man and the dog. Put her in a nightgown, have her lying on the carpet. And then it runs, and look what it does. It does a nice, classy family sort of photo there for you. That was so easy. That was so simple. And besides the cost of your computer, doesn't cost you a dime to do as many of those as you want. That was using Qwen 3 Edit, which is a fantastic model for doing this kind of stuff. And I'm going to tell you a little secret here. I'm going to look around here, see who's listening. Get the FireRed variant. It is fantastic. You can get all that from getgoingfast.pro as well. It'll get you making these things here in just like that. Hey-oh. All right, you guys hang in there. We will catch you on the other side. Hey-oh.